Question 13 here. The question says, 13a, the diagram shows a circle center O with 6 identical triangles. Okay, 6 identical triangles. BOC is shaded. All right, yes, we can see. What's your question? The question is saying, name 2 other triangles. Name 2 other triangles that should be shaded so that the figure has rotational symmetry of order 3 about O here. This is simple. This is simple. But you need to understand something. Okay? We know that BOC is already shaded. So now, what does rotation symmetry of order 3 mean? So order 3 here means the figure looks exactly, okay, exactly the same after a rotation of 360 divided by this number. What do you mean, teacher? This is what I mean. Listen. So this is A. So we're going to say 360 degrees divided by order. Okay, so we are told this is 3. So let's divide by 3. This is giving us 120 degrees. That's what you mean. That's what I think. That's what I mean. So 120. So let's apply this. Okay, let's apply this. Triangle BOC is one triangle. Okay, is one triangle. So rotating BOC by 120 degrees, okay, gives the triangle, let's say, so this is this will be 60, okay, 60. This is also 60. Let me show you like this. Complete 10 here, rotation is 360, and 360 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 360 divided by 360 divided by 6, we're going to get what? We're going to get 60. So it is 60, 60, 60. So we have 60 degrees here, 60 degrees, 60 degrees, 60 degrees, 60 degrees, 60 degrees. Okay? Now, but where there's a triangle, the triangle is starting, that is 0. Okay? 0. So this is 60. Okay? This one, 1. This is 60. 2, 120. So this is the second triangle, or the first triangle. Okay? It is EOD. Okay? EOD or DOE. Fine. Okay? You are starting with this triangle. We're using this triangle. So when it rotates 1, this is 60. 2, 120. Okay? So 120 is giving us this. It's giving us triangle DOE. What's the next? What's the next triangle? So we are here, okay? We are here, so this will be 0. Then 1, this is 60. 2, 120. So it's giving us AOF, okay? It's giving us AOF or FOA. That's the same. So that one and the FOA. I hope you have understood, because I've just explained this one. So these are the answers. You can come and you can bring your answers here. Triangle DOE and the triangle. Let me just put this one, and triangle FOA. These are the 2 triangles. Okay. And okay. Question B here is saying, this is under trigonometry, and the question is saying, given that tan BSC is 3/4, find the value of sin BSC. So let me just sketch to help me answer this question nicely. I'm going to draw a right angled what? Triangle. Okay. This is 90 degrees, and this is what I'm going to do. I'll write our formula. Let's write SOHCAHTOA. This will help us come up with the ratio. Okay. Now, this is the hypotenuse. Let me put this. This is the hypotenuse. Now, we are told that it is tan BAC. Okay. And tan is always opposite over adjacent. So if the angle is here, let me put theta here. If the angle is here, then opposite is this side, which is 4. Okay. Why am I putting 4? Because look at this. Tan theta is equals to O over A, opposite. And this is exactly. And this is adjacent, which is 3. Okay. Now, the angle is at A, then what is what's one? It BAC. So let's put B here, A, then C. BAC. Good. All right. Now, to find the sine BAC, we are going to say it is sine theta, or since we are given the angle, we're going to say sine BAC is equals to opposite over hypotenuse. Now, check. We have the opposite, which is what? 4. 4 over hypotenuse we don't have. But we can find the hypotenuse by using the what? Pythagoras what? Theorem, which is c squared is equals to a squared plus b squared. So c squared is the hypotenuse. So we can say c squared is equals to a squared. A squared. So let's put a here and b here. So we can either use a as 4, b as 3. No problem. As long as the hypotenuse is just c this side. So here we're going to say 3 squared plus 4 squared. C squared is equals to 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16. C squared is equals to 9 plus 16, 25. Square root. This and this will cancel. C is equals to 5. So someone may be asking why here we have square rooted and why the answer is not positive or negative 5. Because this is distance. Can you have a negative distance from here out to, someone says from here up to there is negative 5. So this is a hypotenuse. So we can say 4 over 5. So that's the answer. Sine back BAC is equals to 4 over 5. Simple. Let's go to the next question. Flipping a page. This is question what? 13. Now we go to question 14.